Are you guilty of shopping for a party tent the same way you shop for a cheap umbrella? While most hosts just grab whatever is largest and most affordable, did you know that the right tent actually defines your party space and keeps your guests comfortable? In this video, we'll guide you through selecting the absolute perfect party tent so your next gathering is stylish, functional, and entirely stress-free. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Here, it's all about great food, fun, and flawless hosting. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment to let us know if you want more content like this. Today, we're exploring how to choose the right tent for your outdoor parties. This guide will break down the different styles, help you figure out sizing, and show you how to avoid common setup disasters so you can actually enjoy your own event. Let's get started. First things first, defining the room. When you host indoors, walls naturally tell your guests where the party is happening. Outdoors, your tent takes on that exact responsibility by creating a clear visual boundary. This is especially helpful in a massive or oddly shaped backyard, as it signals exactly where everyone should gather, mingle, and celebrate. Second, managing the elements. A tent provides essential weather insurance that goes far beyond just blocking out a surprise rain shower. Keeping your guests out of direct blazing sun prevents them from overheating and keeps your carefully prepped food from spoiling. Furthermore, you have to be mindful of airflow, as a solid top canopy without proper ventilation can quickly turn into an uncomfortable greenhouse, which is the last thing you want on a warm afternoon. Third, creating the perfect backdrop. Keep in mind that your tent will be the background for nearly every photo, toast, and cherished memory from your event. The structure you choose dictates the overall mood. For instance, an open or clear panel design that lets the evening glow filter through will look vastly different in your photos than a dark, heavily enclosed canopy. Fourth, the quick and easy pop-up canopy. If you are hosting a smaller casual get-together, instant pop-up tents like the Crown Shades. 10x10 pop-up canopy are incredibly fast to set up and take down. Usually requiring just 1 or 2 people and 0 tools, this specific style is fantastic for shading a food station or a small seating area. Just remember that they aren't the best in high winds, so you will definitely need strong weights or stakes to keep them secure. Fifth, utilizing spacious frame tents. When your layout includes a bustling dance floor or long banquet tables, frame tents are an excellent choice because they do not have a center pole. Expansive options like the Quick Tent Premium 20x40. Party tent mean every single inch of the floor space underneath is completely usable. While they do require a bit more effort and extra hands to assemble, that wide open floor plan is absolutely worth it for active, lively parties where guests are constantly moving around. Sixth, going traditional with pole tents. For a classic elegant silhouette featuring a beautifully peaked roof, pole tents are a stunning option. Interestingly, the highly versatile Quick Tent Premium 20x40 party tent design is also favored in this category for large weddings and traditional events. They are supported by center poles and rely on rope guy lines anchored into the ground, which gives them a gorgeous, elevated appearance. However, you will need a fairly spacious yard to accommodate those extended ropes, making them less ideal for tight or heavily landscaped spaces. 7. Adding elegance with sailcloth tents. If you are planning a milestone birthday, an anniversary, or an upscale backyard wedding, sailcloth or marquee tents adorned with Party Village ceiling drapes bring unparalleled sophistication. Their translucent fabric diffuses the daytime sunlight beautifully and emits a warm, inviting glow when lit from inside at night. Because they require more effort to source and install, they are best reserved for those truly significant, once-in-a-lifetime celebrations. 8. Investing in Pergola-Style canopies. For the host who loves throwing parties year-round, rigid hardware frame canopies or pergolas like the Backyard Discovery Beaumont 20 feet by 12 feet, traditional cedar wood, pergola kit offer a fantastic long-term solution. Unlike temporary fabric structures, these feature sturdy frames designed to stay up season after season. It might be a bigger upfront commitment, but investing in a beautiful cedar wood kit saves you the hassle of repeated setups for all your future seasonal events. 9th, solving problems with pop-up gazebos. When you add sidewalls to a standard canopy, you instantly transform it from a simple sunshade into a protective outdoor room. The Vivor pop-up camping gazebo screen tent is a perfect example of how mesh or solid walls work wonders for blocking strong winds, keeping pesky bugs away, and providing a sense of privacy. This is a game changer if you live near a property line or are hosting an evening event where mosquitoes are a real concern. 10th, shading with style using sail canopies. If rain isn't a worry and you simply need to block out the harsh sun, shade sails like the Sunny Guard Sunshade Sail offer a unique and modern aesthetic. These stretched fabric panels are anchored at multiple points to create cool, angled designs perfect for backyard lounging. Just be aware that they do not shed water well, so they should strictly be used in dry climates or seasons to avoid water pooling above your guests. 11th, illuminating the night with clear top tents. For a truly magical evening atmosphere, consider a clear top tent or dome like the Tankula Papa bubble tent. During the day, these cozy designs keep your space beautifully bright without the full heat of direct exposure. They really shine after dusk when paired with draped fairy lights, as the glow reflects and remains visible through the roof, making this the ultimate choice if lighting design is a major priority for your gathering. Finally, keeping the party going. Choosing the right tent transforms your outdoor space and guarantees a comfortable environment for your loved ones. A great tent setup means you won't be troubleshooting wind or heat issues while your guests are trying to celebrate. Take the time to match the structure to your specific event, and your party is guaranteed to be a hit. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting tips and kitchen inspiration. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching.